Are you getting frustrated when editing text with your finger? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung keyboard has a text editing tool that makes it way easier. Here's how to use it. Open any text you want to edit. As the example, let's use the Samsung Note app. When the keyboard appears, tap the three dots above the keyboard to see more tools. And then tap text editing. As you can see, the keyboard will switch to text editing mode. Now let's break it down. On the left side, you will see a mousepad with arrows and a select button in the middle. Tap select, then use the arrows to highlight the text you want. On the right side, you will find buttons for cut, copy, paste, and enter, just like on a computer keyboard. At the bottom, there are extra tools. Align with a left arrow to move the cursor to the beginning of the text. Select all to highlight everything. Align with a right arrow to jump to the end. And a backspace button to delete. Given to the function, this is especially useful when you are editing long notes, documents, or emails, where typing and dragging the cursor feel too clumsy. It gives you precision control, almost like using a trackpad on a laptop. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.